Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how to make a parrot and a door hanging. This door hanging can also be used as a background decoration for functions and festivals. First I'll show you how to make a double colored parrot. For this you need a leaf from a spider plant. Cut along the entire length of the leaf to make two equal halves. Then take one half of the leaf, fold it as shown. Fold it in such a way that the tail part is on your left side. Take the other half, insert it into the loop, bring it down, go around the loop and bring it back on your left side again. Take the wider part and insert it into the loop. Here I am using a glitter sheet to make a beak for the parrot. For this I'll be using Fevicol Heatex glue, which is very strong, and you can use this to stick leaves and flowers. I've used black colored bindi to make eyes for the parrot. Take a cardboard roll. You can even use agarbatti covers or bookbinding rolls. Cut it into small pieces of about 3 inches in length. Stick the glitter sheet on the cardboard rolls as shown. Take a strip of cardboard measuring about 3 feet. Here I am using color changing roses Tape them on one end. These flowers are very pretty and they turn dark pink by evening. You can even use hibiscus flowers. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for all new updates. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've liked this video so that I'll be motivated to make more such videos.